Hello, good morning. So I'm waiting in line to register my children for school, and I'm having coffee. And I'm mentioning this because this is the first thing that I'm having per day today, and I can tell I didn't have water, I didn't have anything to eat, and I can feel kind of funny. If caffeine is the first thing that you have in the morning, it is a diuretic. What it's gonna do is it's gonna shock the nervous system. Where now I'm in fight or flight. I actually don't feel hungry at all. I'm not going to feel hungry for the next couple hours, but I've been up since 6 a.m. It's now 7. If I hadn't had caffeine, I would have had some sort of wave of a hunger cue where I would have probably a piece of toast or a fried egg or something like that. Now I'm not going to feel anything. So I'm going to go the next couple hours without eating, which is not ideal. The caffeine is a diuretic. It's going to dehydrate me. I don't have any water with me. It's not setting up my body for an ideal day when it comes to my gut flora or hydration. But why do I do it? Well, because I ran out of the house and I didn't prioritize any sort of food, and I didn't get up at 5:30. If I had gotten up a little bit earlier to kind of prepare, or if I had something prepped, we actually ran out of things to make smoothies. So my husband took the last one because he was going to do the kid routine. And it was really poor planning. Now, am I going to be okay? Yes. If I had a crisis with my blood sugar, would I want to have something in my bag to make sure that my blood sugar isn't going to drop? Yes. If I have any sort of gut digestion or any sort of imbalance with pooping, I'm going to want to plan better. So if I want better health outcomes, I'm going to want to sit down and make a plan. Because if I'm not prioritizing the first thing that I have in the day, it's going to affect my health. Now, this isn't a shame. I don't feel any shame, but it's like, if I want to feel better today, I need to take better steps in making sure that my body is properly fueled. It's kind of like getting ready to go on a car trip. You have the whole car packed. You have everybody ready to go. You have snacks, you have water for you, you have games for the kids, or you have books, or you have podcasts ready. And then you get in the car and there's no fuel. You literally can't go anywhere because there's no gas in the car. Now, cars aren't as wisely made as we are. And so I can still go throughout my workday without any food, but a car can't. And so you have to pay attention. Some people like to fuel their tank up the night before. Some people will plan an extra 10 minutes. Some people are going to be late to their event because they forgot to get gas. Don't be late or show up half ready to go because you forgot breakfast. Don't do that.